So the queen's in here somewhere. So I'm gonna get a bucket and put all these bees in the bucket very carefully. See, they go all around here. It's a big swarm. And then once I have the queen, hopefully they'll follow us or follow her into their new home, which is over there. So I want to show you the beehive I'm going to move these into. This doesn't really look like many other beehives you've seen. This is my hand. This thing is massive. It's insulated. I call it the hive among us. Need to make a better top for it. But just so you can see, it's got all the openings here. 5, I'll need to close those. And that swarm, you can see the ladder back there is up there. So now I'm going to put it in the bucket and bring it over here. Well, that's the theory at least.